And in that day ye shall ask me nothing. Verily, verily, I say unto you, whatsoever ye shall ask the Father in my name, he will give it you. Hitherto have ye asked nothing in my name. Ask, and ye shall receive, that your joy may be full. John 16 verse 23-24. And whatsoever ye shall ask in my name, that will I do, that the Father may be glorified in the Son. If ye shall ask anything in my name, I will do it. John 14 verse 13-14. Therefore I say unto you, what things soever ye desire, when ye pray, believe that ye receive them, and ye shall have them. Mark 11 verse 24. And it shall come to pass, that before they call, I will answer, and while they are yet speaking, I will hear. Isaiah 65 verse 24. Blessed be God, which hath not turned away my prayer, nor his mercy from me. Psalm 66 verse 20. And shall not God avenge his own elect, which cry day and night unto him, though he bear long with them? I tell you that he will avenge them speedily. Nevertheless when the Son of Man cometh, shall he find faith on the earth? Luke 18 verse 7-8. Ah, Lord God! Behold, thou hast made the heaven and the earth by thy great power and stretched out arm, and there is nothing too hard for thee. Jeremiah 32 verse 17. Behold, I am the Lord, the God of all flesh, is there anything too hard for me? Jeremiah 32 verse 27. Call unto me, and I will answer thee, and shew thee great and mighty things, which thou knowest not. Jeremiah 33 verse 3.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.